That must be my camp. Shut up, crow. That must be my campground down there. Konnichiwa. We have made it back to the Tokai Shizen Hodo. And it's just a few hours on the Hodo. Knocking out a few Ks around the Inui Castle ruins below Akihasan that we came down off the other day. Yeah, building up these few Ks to make tomorrow's monster a little more bearable. So, let's go have a sticky beak around the Inui Castle ruins. Somewhere up here. Which one? Check the map. It's a little bit of a jungle, this one, for being something so close to town. Hope I don't have to get the campground owner to pull a tick out of me bum crack. Inui Castle ruins. And a nice lookout tower. Go check that out. Inui Castle, home of the Yamano clan, until they were done in by Tokugawa Ieyasu. Very good. On the summit of Mount Gyoja. Not that we're peak bagging. Alright. Better go find that campground. Path is much better on this side of the mountain. This must have been the old approach up to the castle, carved out of the rock. Plenty wide enough. Yeah. Ugh. All big ugly spiders. God, I've been running into those things all day. Big fat yellow ones, little black ones that thankfully just drop off. And the yellow ones like to hang on. At least they're a little bit easier to see. You can pull up before you hit them. Most of the time, I have had one conniption that didn't get caught on camera. Thankfully. Shingu Pond that way. We'll get on that task tomorrow. Right now, let's go find the campground and my bungalow. Alright, we've made the Akiha Auto Camp, and here are my lodgings for the night. 5-star accommodation if I've ever seen it. Nice little bungalow on the Keta River. I think it's called the Keta River. I'll have to check that up. But yeah. Just the place for a quiet night's sleep before a 30k walk tomorrow. Inside we have floor and futons. Toilets are right next door. Showers are yards away in that building there. Or you can just go and jump in the river. Water, drinkable. And there's a little mountain we climbed today. The mountains where I'm born and raised. I paid my duty. See you in the morning. Oh Lord, hear the sorrow in my heart. I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain. And I'm never going back again, I swear. So I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit in my rocking chair. I rode my buddy up the mountain.